Tired of battling pet hair on your furniture and clothes? The Sankell Pet Hair Removal Glove offers a smarter, eco-friendly solution for dog and cat owners who want quick, effective results without the hassle of sticky rollers or disposable sheets. This glove stands out with its reusable design, made from natural materials that you can easily wash and reuse. Just shake off the collected hair or rinse it under water, and it's ready for the next round. That means fewer wasteful products and more savings over time. Sized at 8.9 by 7.87, the glove covers more ground than typical pet hair removers. Its upgraded 5-finger grip fits snugly, preventing slips while you work. This means faster cleaning on couches, carpets, and car seats, so you spend less time tidying up and more time enjoying your space. What really sets this glove apart is its advanced electrostatic technology. By simply stroking left to right, it lifts away pet hair, lint, and dust effortlessly. No pressing, no rolling, just gentle, natural motions that make hair removal feel almost effortless. Comfort matters, especially when grooming your pets. The glove's soft, breathable mesh fabric not only removes hair but also massages your pet gently. Its ergonomic 5-finger design fits naturally on your hand, keeping both you and your furry friend relaxed throughout the process. Versatility is another big plus. Whether it's your sofa, bedding, clothing, car seats, or carpets, this glove handles pet hair on nearly any fabric surface. It's more than a pet hair remover. It's a handy lint brush and cleaning tool all in one. If you're looking for an effective, eco-conscious way to keep your home and clothes free of pet hair, the Sankell Pet Hair Removal Glove is worth a look. It simplifies grooming and cleaning, making life easier for you and more comfortable for your pets. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your pet care routine. With the Sankell glove, what you get is a reliable, reusable tool that saves money, protects the environment, and keeps your living spaces hair-free, all with less effort.